Hello everyone. I'm Ashwini Kumar Bhargav, and in this video, we'll see supply chain management. Supply chain management is a very hot topic. It's a very great topic to learn. Okay, it's not for engineers, it's not for doctors, it's not for any industry leaders, but it is common for everybody. If you are in class 8, if you are in class 9th, if you are in class 10th or 11th, 12th, any class, you can easily understand this supply chain management. There is no prerequisite to learn or understand the supply chain management system. Okay, as a student, as a person, you have to know how supply chain management works. Okay, so in our first slide, supply chain management community is there. Okay, what are the components? What are the components of supply chain management? So our first component is raw material supply. Second is manufacturer. Uh, third is distributor. Third is not distributor. Third here must be inventory for storing the material, for storing the product. Inventory must be there. Okay, and fourth is distributor. Fifth is wholesaler. Sixth is retailer, and seventh is end user. Okay, so one thing is missing here, that is inventory. Okay, for storing the product. Okay, so how it works, how this flow chart works, these are the flow chart of supply chain management. These are the very basic flow chart for supply chain management. So first of all, for manufacturing, what are the use of supply chain management? Okay, so for manufacturing a product, for manufacturing any type of product like your smartphone or your clothes, some raw material thing is required. So raw material, these are the this raw material are the very basic, very initial and very important thing for any manufacturing, for manufacturing any type of product. Okay, so after getting raw material, it's transport to manufacturer. Manufacturing is nothing but any type of plant, any type of company which manufacture any type of product. Okay, and after this after manufacturing our product, there must be one inventory control, inventory system must be there for storing this product. Okay, and after that, distributor must be there. Like distributor means any type of trucks for delivery or for delivering the our product. Okay, any type of trucks, lorries, or anything. Okay, which transport easily. Okay, and this transport to wholesaler, and after wholesaler, it's come to shop retailers, that is generally in our village, that is retailers, and we are the end user, and we buy our product from this retailer shop only. Okay, like if we take example of sugar, how sugar manufacture and how we'll get sugar. Okay, so first of all, for sugar, the raw material is sugar cane. That is come from that's come from our village only, our village or field only. Okay, so sugar cane is come from our village, and these are transport to manufacturer. Okay, manufacturer means sugar mill, sugar plant where sugar will manufacture. Okay, and after manufacturing the sugar, these are the transport to inventory for storing the sugar bags. Okay, this 50 kilo bags are there, no? So there must be some inventory control for controlling the all the sugar bags. Some inventory system must be there. Okay, and after that, distributor, and then wholesaler, and then retailers, then end user means us. Okay, and like if we see the flow chart, like if sugar is required in your home, so first you have to go for retailers and or your any village shop. Okay, and if they have required for sugars, they have to go for a wholesaler, and this wholesaler distributor will give sugars to wholesaler, and this manufacturer, this type of thing, this flow chart is making it. Okay, so you can see easily. Okay, and my name is Ashwini Kumar Bhargav, as you know. This is my phone number, that is my email. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, so here I took the example of Amazon. Okay, so how Amazon, like if you want to buy your phone, if you want to buy your clothes, the food of on your table, everything supply chain management is there. Okay, you think about that. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, and like here this are the dashboard which shows how supply chain management works. How, like in Amazon, some delivery system is there. Amazon don't have any plant, it don't have any plant, it tie up with multiple companies, and they have their own platform, and they sell all the company's product on their platform only. Okay, like Puma, Nike, every companies are different, not belongs to Amazon actually. Okay, but they have their platform, and they buy all the thing, because of they have their own delivery system, they have their own supply chain management system. It's very good. Okay, so these are the regions to supply chain management is very good actually. Okay, so uh, if some careless thing is there, so this is the biggest loss. $60 billion in global trade will be gone. Okay, if some careless, if some careless will happen in our supply chain management, then $60 billion, it's a very big amount, and it's a very big loss for our world or any nations will be gone. Okay, so these are the power of supply chain management. Okay, and this careless is nothing but some type of thing, like any calculation or anything. Okay, so These are the example, like every product you buy, everything is under supply chain management. Like these are the plants, these are the inventories. The plant product are making in plant, and this transfer to inventory. Inventory from inventory, all the product will transfer to this trucks, and after delivering this, some calculation is there. And these are the product that is missing, or some lacking, or some default product. Okay, that is not in use. And after concluding all the thing, we can do analysis. These are the thing of data analysis. We can see how this thing will happen, how the thing will be gone. Okay, and we are the end user. These are the end user like us. Okay, and they buy product one to one. Okay, so these are the that supply chain management in actions. These are the this here we can see coordinating thousands of parts across multiple countries. Like these are the example of Vietnam. Vietnam is the very good country which manufacturing multiple smartphone and great smartphone. Okay, but the thing is, the you can see here the screen, the mobile phone screen is comes from Japan. They buy their mobile screen is from Japan. All the processor, like any processors that is used in Snapdragon or anything, that is they buy from Taiwan, and the battery is buy from the battery they buy from China. Okay, and these are the store in Vietnam, and they manufacture mobile phone that is from a store. It can be delivered. Okay, so this coordinating lot of lakhs of products. Okay, lakhs of parts across multiple countries. Okay, so these are the examples of supply chain management, how it works. Okay, and you can see here these are the plants, then delivery, then store, and after that we are the end users that we'll get. Okay, so importance of supply chain management. Okay, here I want to show here how a local scaler and Amazon, we compare here Amazon and small local scaler. Like Amazon have lot of resources. They have their own pickups for picking the a product. Okay, they have their own new technologies like industry 5.0, all the thing, industry 4.0, industry 5.0, all the thing Amazon have actually. Okay, they have AI integrated system, they have machine learning integrated system for growing all the thing. Okay, and but small local retailer, if everything is limited, every order is limited, if order is limited and production is limited, everything is limited, then it will good. Okay, it's not better, it's good. But if we increase the order, then it come out of limit. Okay, so it's leading to losses. Okay, so local retailer is not as much good for a high scale. Okay, and Amazon have lot of resources, and due to this resources, it's very good, and it's very great for any type of any big to big thing. Okay, so these are the thing. Okay, and this is basic supply chain for a product. Okay, these are the plants. After that, it delivers to our us. Okay, we are the end users, it delivers to us. Okay, they are sellers, producers, these are the components. Okay, these are the components. Okay, like if you want to talk about Coca-Cola, they have their own, like soda must be there, then soda, water, soda, and some chemicals are there. From this type of chemical and soda and all the procurement will make this type of Coca-Cola thing. Okay, and again this producer, then seller, then customer, where the end user will get Coca-Cola. Okay, these are the simple thing, these are the simple thing which works with the help of our supply chain flow chart. These are the example of milk company, milk factory. These are the milk, these are cow, and some these are the cars, these are the delivery van which is buy or milk. Okay, and these are this is the company. After company, they have several thing, and after that at the end of the process, our milk is will get our milk. Okay, and it delivers to end users. Okay, these are the producers. Okay, and these are the key component of supply chain management. First of all, procurement. That is that we already discussed in our first slide. This is sourcing raw material. It is very initial and very important for us. Okay, then manufacturing, production, and assembling. Okay, assembling, quality control, and packaging. Okay, then logistic and transportation. We already see all the thing. Okay, and the main thing is customer service and retail management. It must be there in your supply chain management. Without it, your SCM will be completely lost. Actually, without it, it's nothing. Okay, so it includes handling returns and customer complaints. Okay, so these are the type of supply chain management. First of all, vertical supply chain management means from raw material to end product. They don't help to anybody. Okay, like if we talk about Apple M1 laptop. Okay, so it use their own raw material and everything, their own, like for delivery they use their own vans or their own systems. Okay, so their own plant. Okay, everything of their own company. Okay, so from raw material sourcing to manufacturing and distribution. Okay, but in horizontal integration, everything is divided in a hierarchy. Like if we talk about Nike brand, okay, so Nike is not a very big company, it's a brand only. It's divide their work. So like for suppliers, from suppliers they buy their raw material, or this raw material they delivers to any manufacturer, and then logistic, then providers, everything. They don't do anything. They have their own supply chain management, okay. And behalf of that they make their, like for designing they hire someone, for branding they hire someone. Someone means not some person, some companies, okay. For marketing they hire some companies, okay. So Nike is not a company, it's a brand, okay. So these are the flow in supply chain management. Information, first of all, information flow, primary cash flow. Information flow means between different entities in the supply chain management, means the movement of data and communication. In this example of Walmart use AI to predict demand and stocks self accordingly. Like in Walmart, they use their own suppliers, manufacturing, distribution, everything is their own. But in primary cash flow, like if you want to buy shoes from Amazon. So first of all, you have to pay your amount to Amazon, okay, and Amazon will pay amount to any primary system or primary manufacturer where your shoes is manufactured, okay. So these are the example of primary cash flow, okay. So in this video, we discussed all the thing about supply chain management. These are the very basic. If you want to learn it a very a detailed way, you can prefer any type of NPTEL lectures that is freely available on YouTube, okay. So in this video we'll end here, okay. And if you have any doubt, you can ask, okay, and my given phone numbers, okay. Thank you all, thank you very much.